Welcome to Season 2, Episode 25 of PlaneSavers. Hello, everybody. It is Friday. It is the end of the week, and as you can see, Jasper is getting into the Christmas spirit. Jasper, what are you doing? What are you doing? Christmas tree already up, thanks to Stella for getting the Christmas tree. The rule of thumb is Christmas is anything after November 11th, which is Remembrance Day. And yeah, Christmas goes by so quickly up here because everything you're working right, especially in the transportation industry, you're working to the last very moment, and sometimes it passes by. So I'm all for having as long Christmas as possible. My favorite time of year. Benjamin and Stella doing some tests.
Yes.
Using saran wrap. Actually, technically, this is cling wrap or
plastic wrap. I think it's from Buffalo, like Air Express, right?
This? No, This is stretch wrap from Canadian Tire.
Oh, okay. I thought it was from the store.
So Benjamin last night did some tests, and he put some glue on the sticks and wrapped them up in the saran wrap to see if they would stick. And the glue did not stick to the saran wrap. So here's the thing, is we are actually building these jigs here and starting to glue everything. So hopefully today, I promised that we would actually glue our first jig. So we're gonna let Benjamin do some more tests. So William, what do you think? You're outside loading airplanes?
Yeah. Does it look like?
Benjamin's in here doing some chemistry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
For a quick refresher, Benjamin, what do we have here?
So we've got our epoxy, Putin gravy. We've got RT88 epoxy, so 50-50 of hardener and resin. We're gonna mix it in the cup. Then take the sticks. Take the stick, mix it, and we'll pour it in this last syringe, like that.
So all the parts have been cleaned.
Yeah.
Prepped. We got the saran wrap over the jig.
Yeah, so that's gonna work. That's the solution we found instead of using something that's gonna compromise our wood.
And it's pretty snowy out there,
Oh,
eh?
yeah.
Yeah.
Snow a lot.
It's crazy out there right now. Okay, here's the moment. Benjamin, how you feeling?
I'm feeling great. So 6 months of work. We're gonna see if it works or not.
And you even wrote the steps down?
Yeah, the steps are there.
There we go. So all the practice runs, everything.
For this moment.
For this moment right here, folks. So I mean, if you've been watching this long, every little ounce of this project on the table at the same time. Not that much pressure. We're running out of glue.
Yep, but we'll finish this one. We'll be good with this syringe. I'll have to mix a bit more.
Parfait, right to the end. What do you think, William? So?
Très bien.
So the first strip is going on.
It needs its little friend though. Right there.
Going by the list.
It's impressive for real.
So might not look like much, folks. It is kind of awkward that I'm actually narrating this in real time.
I'm just filling up the groove because here it's where the spar is gonna be. We have 30 to 45 minutes of work time, so we're good right now. We're still within our margin of time.
Okay, so here we are. We got some new glue. One cast strip. William's holding the other one. Fighting the timer. Only a few 10,000 people watching right now.
Yeah. Imagine like it's almost the Bell Center in Montreal that will watch this. It's like you're sitting in the middle of the ice and 20,000 people's watching you right now. Maybe more, we don't know.
Lights are shining on me. Thank you. Perfect.
See, folks, that's the trick. Is you put it in, then you take it out.
That's what William missed yesterday.
That was the steps. Check out the making a list, checking it twice, trying to figure out who's naughty or nice. The jig man is coming to town.
I am the jigman now.
Yeah.
So this is important, seeing how Benjamin can work under pressure.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just an exercise, everyone.
He's doing okay. I think after 56 he'll be good, but
So
I'm
again,
doing okay.
folks, we gotta do 56 of those. First one is always the highest pressure. I kind of feel like a golf commentator. You know, at golf, and they're like,
It's okay.
Benjamin is approaching the 9th green.
I don't even hear what you say anymore.
It's
So
like, is he grabbing the 3-wood?
come. It's interesting stuff for everyone. So that's how we do for this one. How it slides in. Just pull it like that.
So here, folks, this is the front part. He's got to make 3 cat strips work.
Hold on.
We have the cat strip up top, cat strip on the bottom, and this little side one here.
Is it
That's what I meant for that.
almost done.
Clifford coming in at the last second.
Just come out, check out this guy's work. Very nice. Well, that, eh?
6 months worth of prepping.
A thing of beauty, really.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, she's gonna be nice.
Man, this one's gonna be
Like
hard.
the instrument, like in the HSI.
Oh, for the light.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, you know
Like
it.
the backlight.
Yeah,
Is this it?
Yeah, it takes.
It's
some power
almost
to
it.
change.
It's almost it. We need to be very cautious here.
Is it flying thing or we don't know yet?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, here we go, folks.
Bam.
Oh, she's in place.
It's done.
It's done?
It's done. I'll just do some cleanup here and there, but it's done.
How was it, the first one?
It went better than I thought. Honestly, I think it's gonna be really good. Yeah, we had no issues with like the saran wrap, making everything tight in the jig. Everything worked out fine.
What about everybody teasing you?
It's just fun, fun and games. It's a challenge to deal with the pressure. It's fine.
You proud?
I'm really proud. I'm happy with the result.
When are we gonna know it's gonna work?
Tomorrow morning, same hour, a bit earlier, I think. Yeah, first hour of tomorrow. We'll check it out.
Or
Let's see.
the next episode? Dun dun dun, cliffhanger. Will Benjamin's rib work?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to join us on the
Will it?
same PlaneSavers channel, same PlaneSavers time.
And now the question: will it stick to the jig? Place your bets in the
Place your
comment.
bets, folks.
It's not gonna stick.
It's gonna be good.
I'm
Be
thinking
good.
so.
Yeah, I think it will be
Yeah.
good too.
All thinking alike.
Will, you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye bye.